Ma'am, you can't run with your dog on the beach.
Oh, yeah, no, I know, but this is a medical service dog.
Need to see your license.
Sorry, I forgot it.
Oh, legit. Excuse me. Oh, seriously? Hey, stop! We are beautiful.
The license is back at my place. What do you want to do? Do you want to wait here and I'll go get it?
You show me the license, you get the dog back.
You're kidding.
Look at this ragamuffin. That's no hero.
Oh, are you okay? I just got really lightheaded.
Got a blanket too.
What? Where did that even come from?
This guy must be a medical service dog.
Oh, you're in big trouble.
We were partners.